Hi, hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to open a Google Ads account which you can use to promote anything on the internet to anybody all over the world, all over Nigeria. Whatever it is that you have to promote, Google Ads can help you do it. And as you can see, this is it. Grow your business with Google Ads. So if you're on matter where you're, if you're on phone or mobile, all you have to do is go to your browser and type ads.google.com or click on the link below this video to come to this page. Now when you're on this page, you can see this is what it's going to look like, and which is fine. So what's going to happen if you're on mobile phone? This is not what you're going to see. It's not going to actually look like this, but you're going to have this start now button. Let me show you what it's going to look like on mobile, because I know a lot of people are going to be on mobile. So this is what it's going to look like. If you're on mobile, you're going to see the start now button here and you can click it. So next, when you click on this start now button, I'm going to click on this start now button. Now you click on this start now button, it's going to take you to the next page. Now it's telling you to log in your account. So that means that if you are not logged in your account in this phone, it's going to ask you to log in. And if you're already logged in, it's not going to bring this page for you. So right now, if you're not logged in, just like this, you can follow I'm going to log in. Or if you don't have a Gmail account, you have to create a Gmail account here. So we're not doing how to create a Gmail account here, because you should have already have a Gmail account right now. And if you don't, this is what you're going to ask you. On this page, it's asking for your first name, last name, your whatever name you want to use as an email address. You're going to put there, then your password, confirm your password. Then next page, you're going to ask for your phone number, and that is how to open a Gmail account. But for those of you that already have a Gmail account right now, you are going to have to type your Gmail account into this place. So now get your Gmail account ready and type it into this place. All right, I'm logging into my Gmail. Type your Gmail, then click on next, where it's going to ask you for your password. So whatever your password is, you want to type your password, then you're going to click on sign in. Remember, if you're already signed in, you will not get this stage. Yeah, you can click on save or don't save, depending on if you're on your computer or on your phone. You can click on save, but if you're using someone's phone or computer, then you are going to have to click on never. So this might not happen to you. So this is happening because I'm using a new browser. Then if you are in this screen for whatever reason, just click on verify your confirm your recovery number or confirm your recovery email, whatever it is, to skip this. If you have a phone number, just put it. If you don't have it, but most times you might not have this screen. I'm having this screen because I'm just using this browser to log in for the first time. So this is a usual check for Google to know if it is you that is trying to log into your account. So if you come into this screen, that's how you're going to solve it. Enter the code to get a code, enter, then confirm. In my case, I'm going to use confirm my recovery email. So now if everything went fine and you logged into your Google Ads account, this is what you are going to have. Yes, this is what you're going to have, but in your case you might not have anything here because you have not run a Google Ads account before. You might not have any of this, so you're going to have this new Google Ads account. Sometimes you might not see the switch. If you are opening a new account, you are not going to see the switch account or adding the account. It's going to automatically direct you to the next page by itself, which you are going to see now. So Google Ads most times used to usually require a very powerful network. So if you do have a powerful network, you need to make sure that you need to hold on until something displays on the screen. So right now, if you're on your PC, you're going to have this screen. So it's going to tell you to get more calls. Although this is just for starting the system automatic, it's trying to set up the system for you automatically, but you don't want to do this because it's going to start asking a lot of questions that you don't know how to answer perfectly. So if you're on PC, you are going to see this option to switch switch to expert mode. But if you're on phone, you will not see this option. And sometimes even though if you're on PC, you will not still see this switch to expert mode. So what are you going to do? For instance, if you're on mobile phone, this is what you are going to see. Yeah, this is what you are going to see if you're on mobile phone. Can you see there's no switch to expert mode there? And sometimes even though if you're on desktop, you will not see switch to expert mode. You only see next over there. So how do you move on to the next stage? So to move on to the next stage, you are going to do something instantly. You can see, just click on this your browser link. Even though if you're on mobile, just click on your browser and click on this link that is saying house.google/w/campaign/new. So what you're going to do here is that you are going to come here. You are going to come here. You're going to change this. So what you're going to do right there is that you are going to remove this express here and then remove it. So it's going to be campaigns-new question and any other thing that comes after that. So when you do this, it's going to skip you ahead to, it's going to take you to the expert mode. Can you see now you've already been able to skip the because if you don't do that, you are going to have to put a lot of tons of details in which you haven't learned how to do effectively. So you can see right now it's telling you to create an account without a campaign, which is what you want to do right now. So click create an account without a campaign. So as you can see here, you are still gonna click submit. Don't change anything right there. Don't change anything right there. Just click submit right there. Yeah, as you can see, saying that you are all done. Explore, congrats, you are all done. Explore your account. So just click on this explore your account. Yeah, you have to wait for it to load. Something about Google Ads is that it usually requires a good network. So once you are here, you're going to see new campaign, but you don't have anything to do here right now. Just go to these settings on your phone. Even though if you're on phone, you are going to see the link to see the setting on the menu. You are going to see it. Just keep leave guard even though it asks you this question. You don't need it. So the next thing you want to do right now, even though you're on PC, on your phone, you want to click on this billing and settings. Then you gotta click on what this summary. So when you click on this summary, it's gonna bring you to this page. Alright, so when you're on this page, it's telling you to set up a new billing setup. So yeah, in this case, you have to put your credit card. So then to have any doubt, putting your credit card in Google is safe, and they are not going to charge you any money right now, but they are just doing that to know if you're somebody that has the potential to pay the money. So what you're going to do right now is that use any credit card that you have with you that you've used on the ATM before that is valid for online transaction. That is what you want to use right here. It doesn't matter if there's money in the card or not, as long as it has not expired, it is going to work. So when you are there, just leave this at Nigeria, then scroll down right there. Instead of organization, select individual. Then you have to put the name, your name and your address. So I'm going to blank out this part because I don't want people putting my details in their own account. So you have to put your own details in all these places. Then that's your street, your line 1 address, you have to put it. Then your city, you have to put it. Then your postal code. To get your postal code, all you need to just go to Google and search for postal code for your city where you're located. If you're in Agege, if you're in Oshodi, if you're in Abuja, just type postal code for, you are going to see it coming up in Google. Then you are going to select it. In this case, I'm going to copy this one, which is for Ikeja, because there are different places in Ikeja. Actually, you can actually get postal code for your city, for your street, but there's no need for doing that. It's not that they are sending you anything, so just copy whatever you see first as the postal code for your area, then put it inside this postal code side. Then states. You're in Lagos, I'm in Lagos, so if you're in Lagos, put Lagos. If you're not in Lagos, put wherever state you are, and everything will be fine. So next, this phone number is optional, you might not put it, there's no need. So here, leave it as automatic payment, as you can see. Then what next is that you want to come over here and put your card details. So bring out your card, then you are going to have to put your card holder name, and then you have to put your card number. So how to do that, just get out the card and enter the details. So I'm going to blank this part out also to prevent other people using my details for their account. So the first thing is that you are going to enter the digits at the front of the card, the whole digits at the front of the card, which is like 16 digits. So as you're entering it, once you've entered the first 4, it's going to give you a space, then it's going to let you to write other ones. So the next aspect is going to ask you for the month and year. You have your credit card, you are going to see the month and year. Then the next is going to ask you for the CVC. Just turn your card to the back and you are going to see the CVV of your card, which is always usually 3-digit number. So when it comes to the account name, just write the account, just write your name as you usually spell it in the as it's spelled on your bank account. Just put the last one first, because most time the credit card, your credit card details on your bank, on your ATM is always your name and your surname. You can put it, you can just twist it and put your surname first and your So once you're done, you are going to click here. I agree to Google add terms. So next you want to click on submit. So here I'm going to click on no thanks right there. So as you can see, I have added this credit card and I have $50. What it means that I have this $50 to spend and I can pay later on. But now what we're going to do right here is that for now we're going to leave this right here. Now you have successfully opened your Google Ads account, and congratulations, you're about to start making money with this. So what else can you do? What else can you do? It doesn't end there. Okay, it doesn't end there. So for most of you that will get into the advanced course later on, you're going to learn how to get this 350 USD here, which, because that's what they give people that are abroad. But for right now, this is what they give Nigerians. I don't know what happened to Nigerians, but this is what they give us. Don't worry, in the future we're going to be able to talk to Google to always increase this money, but for now let's just do what we can do right